Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to take a closer look at this Mitsubishi Pajero Mark 1 by BM Creations.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.
Okay, I got this model from BM Creations, the first gen or the Mark 1 Mitsubishi Pajero, couple of years ago, and actually this is part of the many models that I got a couple of years ago that I still haven't unboxed yet. So this year 2024 we're going to unbox them for you, so we won't be having any backlogs. Okay, so let's start it off with the packaging. Up front, this is a box with a windowed display. Okay, very well see that it's Mitsubishi Pajero. This is silver, and this is left-hand drive from BM Creations. Okay, on the side it says Mitsubishi Pajero in 1/64 scale, and on the side, on the back rather, Mitsubishi Motors official licensed product. Well, and the BM Creations website, Facebook page, and Instagram. Okay, it says here on the QR code, Mitsubishi Pajero Mark 1 silver left-hand drive. Okay, nothing much on the bottom. Okay, so start it off. Once again, I would like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram page for more diecast pics and reels, including this one, so watch out for it. We're going to do more reels or videos of this, especially pictures. Okay, so what's so good about BM Creations models? Okay, comes in this plastic hip shrink wrap. Okay, so finally to get to unbox this one. This is the Gen 1 Mitsubishi Pajero, okay, released by Mitsubishi Motors in 1982. Okay, in production, they produced this until 1992, I guess. Okay, so we're going to open this one up. Okay, so there you have it from BM Creations. Okay, as usual, it has this plastic packaging. Okay, the model. Okay, and before we get to take a closer look, okay, this one has accessories on it. Okay, this one has a, okay, let's open this one up, get a closer look. This one has stickers. Okay, some decals on it. Okay, very good. I say some pretty correct ones. Okay, and it comes with an off-road bumper. Okay, and a snorkel, and some, okay, got some screws. Okay, there's only one screw. Okay, and also comes with this. I think this is for the fog lamps. Okay, for the bumper. Okay, or rather, that one says Mitsubishi. And also this one. Okay, this is a roof rack. Okay, with a awning. Okay, roof rack. We're going to place this later and some legs. Okay, we'll open this one up. Also, the model comes with more. Okay, take this one off. Okay, also box also comes with this off-road tires. Okay, nice one. Some white wheels, rubber threaded tires. Nice one. Got 5 of them. Okay, set this one aside. Now we're going to take a closer look at the model itself. Okay, as I've said, this one is colored silver. Okay, full die-cast body. Nice. And it is left-hand drive. Okay, before we go into that, first we're going to take a closer look at the wheels. Okay, wheels are good. Okay, wait, let me focus this one. Okay, so there you have it. Let's take a look at the wheels. Okay, the wheels are very good. Rubber, good wheel design. Okay, plastic, has rubber threaded tires. Okay, all 4 of them, including the spare tire at the back, the same wheel design. Okay, something wrong with the wheels here, so we're going to fix this one a little. Okay, so looks better in stock form. Okay, model rolls freely. Okay, doesn't have, oh, it does have suspension. Okay, well, only in the front. Nonetheless, it's good. Okay, we're going to take a closer look at the sides first. Okay, on the side, very good details. Okay, colored silver. Okay, all throughout, clear windows with black trimmings. Okay, painted. Panel lines are good. Okay, not too deep and not too shallow. Okay, also comes with this rubber trim. It's supposed to be rubber trim on the real Pajero. This one is painted. Okay, very good one. And side mirrors, painted silver. Okay, good one. And also has some tampos on it. Okay, it says Montero. Okay, so you might be wondering why it's called Montero. Okay, the Pajero has been marketed worldwide, and the name Pajero was used in other markets, but in UK they're called the Shogun, and in the US they're called the Montero. Okay, so moving on, up front. Okay, as usual, as with my other BM creations. Okay, the plate number is kind of crooked, but can be very well easily remedied. Okay, continuing on, take the front grille. Typical. Okay, very good representation of the first gen. Okay, Mark 1, silver details on the front grille, Mitsubishi logo. Okay, and headlights are clear. I think those are clear plastic inserts. Okay, corner lamps painted orange. Okay, bumpers are very good details. Okay, it's chrome silver with bumper guards painted black. Okay, in real Pajeros these are rubber. Okay, moving on to the front hood, very good details, as you can see. Engine vents, okay, here, and also wipers. Okay, clear windshield with black trimmings, also very good. And on the roof, okay, just like the real Pajero Mark 1 or first gen 1, okay, have this lines, okay, this molds, okay, mold part of the body. Okay, moving on to the rear, very good details. As I've mentioned, a spare tire with the same wheel design and rubber threaded tires, okay, placed at the back, okay, clear windows with detailed rear defoggers and also a wiper, okay. And for tail lights, these are red colored plastic inserts, okay, painted reflectors on the side. Okay, before I forget, it's also a detailed gas tank cover, okay, very good one. And the bumper, just like on the front, colored chrome silver with the black bumper ends, bumper guards. Is that the right term? Okay, plate number Mitsubishi, it says here, and also you can very well clearly see, okay, Mitsubishi for the license plate light holder. Okay, and on the other side, it's like same, clear plastic windows, rubber trimmings or plastic details, okay, very good one. Same, says Pajero on the side. Door handles are painted, keyhole is also detailed, okay. And this being a BM Creations model, okay, this has opening doors, okay. Try to open this one, okay. Both doors, only front doors can be opened, okay, very well done, okay. You can clearly see the details inside, very good one, okay. Interiors are colored black, but details are good, okay. Even the third row seats are detailed, okay. Front row driver, the dashboard, even the steering wheel is good, okay. Has some gear shift levers are also detailed, and also here on the driver, or rather on the passenger side, okay, very well detailed, similar with the Pajero models. Okay, so there you have it, very good model from BM Creations. This is the Gen 1 or first gen or Mark 1 of the Mitsubishi Pajero, okay. Well, if you are following my channel, I featured a Pajero from BM Creations, and this was the Mark 2 or the second gen Mitsubishi Pajero, okay, same scale, different color, okay. So here we go for size comparison, okay. But this Gen 2, I already placed accessories, okay, including the red mud guards, and I placed the jerry cans on top. This one is equipped with a roof rack, okay, with a spare tire on it, and that one is very good, okay. You might want to check out my video, unboxing video of this one, a showcase video, and also on my Instagram there are some pics of this and reels, so watch out for more pics and reels of this Gen 1 Mitsubishi Pajero, and the accessories that came with it. I think I'm going to place it later, and I'm gonna feature it on another video. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this one. I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.